Hi, Jess again. This one's about the match score, that number on every job. It's not a guess, and it's not a keyword count. It's a real read on how well a role fits you specifically, so you always know why a job showed up. Here's what's behind it. CoBlack reads each job, the responsibilities, the requirements, the seniority, and weighs the whole thing against your capability map. Your career fingerprint, built from what you've actually done, not word matching. Exactly how he weighs it, that stays with us. What you get is the number. And you can see the receipts. On the applications page, hover the score in amber. A panel opens. That's the evidence. It shows the skills this job wanted that your profile didn't show. Exactly where you and the role missed each other. No mystery. You see precisely why the number is what it is. But a low score today isn't a verdict. CoBlack is always working to make your profile stronger. And we keep rereading the market every day, even the roles that passed on you. So when you improve your profile, add a skill, flesh out a role, two things happen. New jobs surface, and your scores on old ones can climb. The score moves as you do. And it works the same for a nurse, a welder, an analyst, a chef, any field, any level. A high score, trust it. A low one, that's honesty, not a bug. Either way, you finally know where you stand. See you in the next one!